First move e4, e5. Second move knight f3, knight c6, d4, e capture d4, bishop c4, knight f6, 2 knight defense, kingside castle, d5, e capture d5, knight capture d5, white play knight capture, knight d4, knight capture knight d4, white queen capture the knight d4, black play knight f6. Now white play one brilliant sacrifice, bishop capture f7 check, king capture, bishop immediate queen loss, so king move e7, rook e1 check, only good move e6. Now white play brilliant capture, queen capture, queen check, rook capture d8 or king capture d8, bishop capture bishop. White player gain extra material, black resign this game. First move e4, e5, knight f3, knight c6, bishop c4, and f6, 2 knight defense, d4, e capture d4, pawn post e5, and g4, bishop capture f7 check, king capture bishop, knight g5 check, bishop support the knight, king g8, queen f3, mating threat, knight f6, queen b3 check, black play d5, white play important capture, e5 capture d6, and d5, queen capture and d5, only move bishop e6, game loss, queen capture bishop e6, checkmate.